Hello, Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. Wanted to shoot another video to talk to you about some problems that you're going to have if you do not encapsulate your crawl space. One of those problems is probably what you're experiencing already if your crawl space is not encapsulated, and that is the moisture that is flowing through the open foundation vents in your foundation under your home. And so if you live in the greater Charlotte area, you know it's a hot, humid environment. And when it's June, July, August, September, it is hot and very humid, and that air that is flowing through those vents is carrying moisture with it. And that moisture is what we know as humidity. We know the area has high humidity during the warm summer months. And so when that moisture flows, when that humidity flows through those foundation vents, it's wreaking havoc on your crawl space, and it is absorbing into the insulation. That fiberglass insulation is like a sponge. It's clinging to your floor joists, causing the moisture content to raise. And when you start giving some of these materials, such as wood, the moisture it needs, it's going to start growing mold. Once we start talking about mold, we start affecting the indoor air quality of your home, which could lead to other health concerns for you and your family. The other thing we start looking at is if there's too much moisture there, it's going to get past the stage of growing mold, and it's going to start deteriorating the wood that's under your house, the wood that's holding your house up. So what you're going to start experiencing is cupping hardwood floors, sagging floors, floors that are unlevel, floors that feel spongy or soft. So you're going to start experiencing a lot of that. The other thing that we look at when we encapsulate a crawl space, and a problem you'll run into by not encapsulating it, is water getting under your house. And we see that probably 90% of the time where water's getting under that house, and there is drainage work that needs to happen. So these are just a couple problems that you're going to run into by not encapsulating your crawl space. There's tons of upside to encapsulating your crawl space. The downside is the cost, but when you look at it from a peace of mind or a long-term investment into, at least my biggest investment, a lot of people's biggest investment, which is their personal home, you're taking care of that home and ensuring that it stays in good shape for many years to come. So we hope this video helps. If you have any questions, drop us a comment down below. We'll get back to you, or you can reach out to us one of numerous ways: email, social media, telephone, smoke signals, however you want to reach out to us. We will hear you and we'll get you an answer. We hope this helps. Until next time.